Udah lama nggak main nih begini nih. Udah semingguan kagak main nih. Kebantai lah ya sama orang. Lihat aja. Kesikat lagi nih. Main division. Kesikat lagi nih. Tim. Coba lihat tim. Saya butuh right back sih, right back yang ini tiga ini nih, empat nih sama yang Morishige ini nih. Udah nih 1, 2, 3, 4. Dah, itu aja tuh berempat tuh. Substitution Arhan. Ya, apa yang lu andelin dari Arhan? Oke, langsung aja Liga eFootball League. Oke, terakhir menang ya 3-2. Habis itu sebelum-sebelumnya kebantai terus. Division 4. Baru Division 4 sudah kebantai terus. Cupu sekali anak ini. Nah, ketemu. Aduh, subscribernya belum nambah. Lawan orang Jepang. Hari-hari dikasih orang Jepang. Home away. Romario nih feeling saya udah gak enak pak. Dapat lawan yang kayak gini. Banyak banget deh kayaknya deh ini deh. Enggak deh. Kayaknya enggak deh. Enggak bagus-bagus amat lawan. Enggak deh, bagus. Rafael Varane, Barrios siapa lagi tuh Barrios? Cavu, Carlos, Zambo Agustus siapa pak? Pemain Napoli. Pedri, Neymar Junior, Forlan, Romario. Ya udahlah, yuk. Bismillah aja. Ada 2 budak kembar berbaju biru, berbaju kuning. Mereka sentiasa bersama. Luar biasa, Upin dan Ipin. Keajaiban bermula.
Good evening to you and welcome on this most perfect evening for a game of football to which we look forward immensely. It's hardly a surprise that everybody has come here in their droves, this being a fixture that has received so much coverage in the days leading up to it. And it's good to see that we have a good contingent of visiting fans by the look of it too. The atmosphere is amicable, the conditions do bring out the best in everyone.
Belum apa-apa pak, udah kayak gitu aja, over-the-top aja anda mainnya. Belum, sabar.
This place simply a monument to the game. So much prestige, so much pride, so much football is played here. The action has already started.
Tuh, Wirtz. Yes, bagus banget. Ayo, come on. Offside trap dia bagus. Sedikit banget. Gila. Tipis banget, Pak. Kenapa nih? Enggak.
He would be the obvious choice, wouldn't he? He certainly has all the right qualities. Now it's Romario,
Neymar. Ngapain anda? Gocek
Terrific
kayak
running
gitu.
on the ball
Aduh.
there. Those efforts are not going
Lo.
unappreciated.
Untung aja.
It's a goal kick.
Neymar mana? Nih, udah kasih sini. Kok ke situ? Astaga. Goblok banget.
He's done it.
Well, they would have been looking at him to produce the goods, and that was very kind of him to oblige so early.
And it has to be said, an absolute gift.
Masih ketuker ya larinya di sini R2. Ntar lu udah di ini dulu
And
ntar.
it's Neymar. Now it's Romario.
Ntar di
Solid
setting
defending,
dulu.
refused to be outmuscled.
Aduh.
Run, ultimately
Udah lama nggak
thwarted
main
by
kayak
an
gini nih
astute piece
emang.
of defending. Crowd appreciates good football all round there.
Oh gas.
Oh, they can break here. Pass is coming off in quick succession here. Oh, that's a key interception. Sends it forward. Romario.
Ya elah.
That's a foul. Free kick's been given.
Ayo memang. Ayo. Ih, nggak dapet Inzaghi gimana sih?
Oh, it's a promising build up this. Plenty of really nice passing.
Udah bikin tremor tangan
That's top
aja ini.
defending and preventing him turning, which can
Tuh,
open up many
adalah.
possibilities.
Mabario, lu Xbox kan?
Moved on forwards. And here's Neymar.
Xbox gimana pak cara mabarnya?
Otavio. Now the counter.
Frankie, kenapa nggak ke Frankie? Malah ke Inzaghi.
Oh, good read.
Ngelag.
It's Inzaghi.
Biasaan.
And there's his chance to lead the counter.
Weird.
Good spot.
Oh enggak,
He's seen the
Partey
run.
ternyata. Cutback, Inzaghi. Yes.
It's in.
Let's go. Itu dia.
Arsenal are level.
Nggak tahu. Kalau yang apa di PS kan tinggal game share doang.
So precise. The finish sumptuous.
Jadi tinggal game share, habis itu tinggal pilih.
Counter-attacking at its finest.
Kayak main
Real
co-op,
cut and thrust.
cuma online. Gitu. Kalau di Xbox gak tahu gimana crossplay dari Xbox ke ini, ke PS. Ya katanya ada sih, bakal ada sih fitur crossplaynya. Cuma nggak tahu kapan. Orang friendly match aja belum bisa ini. Tahu deh gimana deh Konami deh.
And that has added a whole new complexion to
Saya
the
cuma
game.
player.
Look, Peter, I was on the fence.
Buset. Buset. Apa itu?
Scored! Into the lead once more.
Orang gila
The
pak.
lightness of step,
Sumpah
the
apa itu pak?
sharpness of movement,
Apa-apaan
the
kok bisa nge-shoot kayak
certainty
gitu?
of finish.
Masuk lagi.
Gamba Osaka get themselves into the lead.
Bagus, Roberto Carlos.
Footballing with
Tengah,
usually
Inzaghi,
identified.
sundul.
To head it. Oh, just needed a better contact.
Well, being able to generate that amount of activity in the
Oliver
box
Kahn.
means it's hard not to pick someone out.
Dum, oh enggak, kirain jauh dia. Hari-hari kalah.
That's Forlan.
Jangan majuin, backnya jangan dimajuin.
Forlan. Could have been
Gitu.
dangerous, but it came to nothing.
Ih, nge-lag.
Otavio.
Kadang suka nge-lag gitu ya, kenapa ya?
Still very early doors, but it is a closely contested affair.
It's.
De Jong.
Offside. Oh
spread
enggak,
out to the left.
ada Roberto Carlos, kirain umpannya ke Neymar.
It's a good
Yes,
ball and it
bagus.
could be in. Neymar.
Partey.
Yeah, less said about that pass, the better.
Mana? Ya ampun bisa gitu.
And they can
Gimana itu
counter
caranya
here.
bang? Mencet apa
He's
itu?
gone
Kayak
away.
gitu.
Neymar. That's
Apa
great
hoki aja
strength
dia?
on the ball. Oh, the ball's come loose here.
Jadi jaga dua orang.
Oh, the
Agak
defense
jatuh-jatuh
proved
tuh Neymar.
infallible then, but that won't be the last they'll see of him.
Ih kok sono. Kayak delay ya ini ya. Rada delay ya. Oh iya loh, rada delay.
Otavio now looking to orchestrate a counter.
Iya.
It's all a little
Delay.
bit desperate, but it's
Nge-lag.
got the job done.
Oh, super tackle. They were
Perasaan
outnumbered
terakhir
and
main
one of
kagak
the
nge-lag kayak
costs.
gini
That
dah.
had to
Kenapa
be spot
nge-lag
on.
banget ya?
It was.
Now it's Neymar.
Dapat.
I think that's offside.
Kan
Yes,
udah
it is.
dikontrol sama si Varane. Halo wasit. Halo wasit di football. Kan udah kontrol itu ya. Lah, gimana sih wasit? Aduh, bener panas banget lagi. Di pause lagi, mau ngapain dia? Ayo, ganti pemain enggak, nge-pause aja dia. Apa ganti taktik apa? Set, banyak banget di depan bola. Ininya, pemain dia.
It's Pedri. Out to the left it goes.
Nice. Sabar. Umpannya. Suka ngilu gitu loh ngeliatnya. Lah, kok nggak di? Nggak bisa. Nggak bisa kayak gini, nggak bisa. Bagus. Siapa itu?
And that has earned a few nods of approval from the bench.
Roberto Carlos. Bagus, ayo Tomiyasu.
And now they can spring out of defense.
Ya, kenapa umpannya kayak gitu Inzaghi? Ngecewakan. Dapat dong. Gocek tuh.
Laid out to the left flank.
Sumpah paling kesel tuh kalau ngelek-ngelek kayak gini, Pak.
Most necessary. And now the breakaway. The danger is cut out. And the half-time whistle goes.
Bener.
A really good half of football. 3 goals and just one separating them. No, well, the pickings certainly have been rich in this first half.
Bisa yuk. Bisa 3 poin yuk. Kayaknya settingannya harus dirubah deh. Settingan lari, shooting segala macam. Bagus. Lah, ngapain itu? Mau gocek. Kok dapat aja. Bagus. Yes, Mon. Wait. Ya. Inzaghi, yes. Neymar, ya. Balik. Ya, shooting. Gol. Astaga, udah bagus banget itu padahal. Aduh. Capek, Pak. Baru 1 match aja ini. Oke, coba saya nanti main FIFA nanti malam ngelek guys. Kalau ngelek berarti emang networknya, wifi-nya. Tapi kalau nggak ngelek ya berarti dari game. Gila nih orang gocek bikin emosi loh. Wah, kurang ajar nih orang, sumpah. Bagus. Kayak tungguin gitu, Pak. Lihat dimain-mainin gitu. Siapa itu? Carlos. Short corner. Lah. Backnya mana, Bagus. Masa Neymar ya? Ayolah, jangan. Mana kita nggak nyerang Pak dari tadi, Pak, sumpah. Astaga. Ambek akhirnya setelah apa sih? Tuh, ayo overtop langsung Inzaghi. Yes. Shooting. Yes, untung masuk loh. Kencang tuh bola. Ayo ya. Nih. Apa ini? Ini apa? Ambek akhirnya setelah pemakaman kakekku akhirnya balik lagi ke sini. Cara cerita. Aduh. Bagus, ayo. Tavio.
This is quite a battle.
Well, this is to be expected, Peter, when you've got two strong teams of fairly equal standing. The outcome should all come down to finishing.
Nggak harus mukul meja sih kalau kayak gitu, udah normal. Tapi dia offside trapnya bagus loh dari tadi loh. Forlan. Tiba-tiba kayak
Roberto Carlos spots it and intercepts.
Iya, gocek. Ya, terus, ya. Dia nyari Neymar nih.
Over to the left.
Roberto Carlos ya, untuk nggak dapet. Bang, kualitasnya kenapa gak ada yang 1080? Aku masih make PS4 Fat soalnya. Plus TV ku monitorku masih 720, masih HD, belum full HD. Masih HD doang. Nggak tahu ya antara PS-nya yang nggak support atau monitornya yang nggak support. Itu nggak ada settingannya, paling tinggi 720 60 fps. Ya, dia ganti pemain bagus dimasukin nih. Sandro Martinez siapa itu, Pak? Ben Yedder tuh striker Prancis itu ya. Brahim Diaz. Passing dong, cepetan. Yes. Boring, Pak, main kayak gini, sumpah. Punya. Yes, ayo. Tomiyasu, gas. Aduh, gila. Kok bisa ada kayak gitu? Jaga itu siapa itu?
Martinez.
Alamak, jago kali gocek-gocek Bang. Kalau boring ganti Hitman aja, jangan. Hitman seru. Hitman susah. Kok seru sih? Nggak bisa. Pensiun po main eFootball, janganlah. View-nya banyak soalnya kalau main eFootball. Kemarin. Aduh, pelanggaran nggak tuh? Aduh, serius dong. Ayo dong. Buset, dijepit. Pas banget. Main gocek. Iya dah, lu jago ya mas. Iya mas, lu jago mas. Udah main yang bener apa mas? Emang kemarin.
That's been intercepted.
Ya gocek lagi terus. Ya. Ya ampun ya. Pro player, Pak, sumpah. Apa sih ini orang? Sumpah, bikin kesel, Pak. Lu gimana gak kesel dimain-mainin kayak gitu sama orang? Ben Yedder, kiper yang nendang. Oh enggak, Neymar. Ternyata cinta banget dia sama Neymar. Makan tuh. Bang, kemarin mudik ke kota mana? Mohon berkenan. Aku ke Tasik. Sate tayo. Sate tayo.
So now we're going to get those changes we have been
Kok bisa rebound kayak gitu ya? Las, come on. Nge-lag. Udah. Kayaknya udahan kali. Masa baru satu match udahan sih? Streamingnya gimana? Yalah. Real time tuh, kata Peter dia. Enggak, kayaknya nggak bisa. Udah deh, capek gue main ginian.
Can he latch on to this? Yeah, this kind of bold running will always get you into areas of possibility.
Oh iya, udah gue cek. Aduh, astaga. Main pakai apaan gila nih orang? Ih. Gila. Lo lihat gak sih dari tadi? Astaga, halo Bang, halo Indonesia. Halo Indonesia. Berasa artis Hollywood saya. Halo Indonesia. Aduh, takut, aku takut. Ngantuk, capek, pusing. Searching for ultimate. Mohon bersabar, ini ujian ya, memang ujian ya. Ujian apa kalau boleh tahu ini? Ujian apa? Dari kemarin lo ujian mulu. Searching. Ayolah kasih yang noob gitu. Tapi kalah sama Vietnam, Bang. Oh iya, betul. Main lagi kapan? Hari ini ya? Saya nggak kayaknya kalau SEA Games ya udahlah. Timnas kita. Saya lebih prefer ke ini sih. Itu kan yang main bukan timnas senior kan, jadi ya bukan prioritas juga kan U23 tuh. Yang main orang yang main U23 paling yang senior kayak Marklock, Kambuaya, terus kemarin siapa, Fahrudin. Paling itu doang yang senior. Kipernya juga nggak jelas. Kiper mana itu Pak? Adi Satrio ya namanya. Sama fullbacknya, aduh Pahmi itu. Apa satu lagi fullbacknya saya nggak tahu itu pemain mana Pak. Yang saya tahu tuh tadi kemarin cuma yang Ronaldo Kuate, Kambuaya, Marklock, terus si Egi, Fahrudin, sama udah itu aja. Fullbacknya nggak tahu saya siapa itu, sama ya Pahmi deh kalau nggak salah. Bener-bener itu, sumpah. Mungkin belum kebiasa kali ya, belum terbiasa mainnya. Soalnya kan setengahnya kan baru kan, pemain baru. Main lagi kapan dah ini timnas?
Well, good evening to you and welcome on this most perfect evening for a game of football to which we look forward immensely. It's hardly a surprise that everybody has come here in their droves, this being a fixture that has received so much coverage in the days leading up to it. And it's good to see that we have a good contingent of visiting fans by the look of it too.
Oh iya, SEA Games ya. Tidak, saya tidak nonton SEA Games. Kan saya live streaming.
Played out towards the right wing.
SEA Games juga apa namanya cuma Asia Tenggara doang kan. Kecuali kalau Asian Games atau Olympics, nah saya pasti nonton. Tuh Otavio atas, yes. Cutback lagi ah. Crossing berbahaya. Menurut abang penonton setia abang selama ini siapa? Nggak tahu saya. Kan banyak kayak nonton beberapa.
Otavio.
Bagus. Yes, Inzaghi, come on, dapat Inzaghi. Alah.
Keeper's got good distance on that. Well, he acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
Oh, he made it look.
Lagi dapat. Shoot. Neymar, rebound. Belum. Berarti bukan aku, iya. Belum. Kamu kan baru sebulan ini kan? Baru sebulan terakhir. Gundul. Alah, kagak loncat dia gara-gara nge-lag. Yalah, bisa lah. Ya ampun, nge-lagnya. Kosong, lihat kosong. Gila. Bagus. Timingnya pas banget itu. Nge-lag kayaknya udahan deh. Saya udahan nih kayaknya nih. Nge-lag begini, Pak. Halo eFootball. Wih, dapat. Tapi nge-lag. Dapat iya sih dapat, cuma nge-lag. Yaudah nanti malam. Nanti malam aja ya, lanjut tar malam ya. eFootball. Apa namanya, lanjut ntar malam. FIFA 22.
Filippo Inzaghi. Great shapes to shoot.
Astaga. Emang lagi sial. Buset. Main seruduk aja dia. Nge-lag pula. Raul, bagus. Iya, dapat lagi dia. Otavio, come on, counter Tomiyasu. Yes. Tuh, Inzaghi. Oh enggak, sini dulu Tomiyasu. Inzaghi. Gregetan, Pak. Sumpah. Main ginian tuh. Malah nge-lag lagi.
And it's Neymar. Well, that tackle was certainly sturdy. He's got the shot away. Well, that wasn't too dissimilar to the previous attempt.
Yeah,
Arsenal
really putting a few chances together here. Taking one can only add to such good momentum now.
Lihat lari kemana tuh? Aduh, nge-lag. Kalau nggak nge-lag sebenarnya bisa aja. Ngelawan, bukan bisa menang. Bisa ngelawan.
Oh, that's well spotted. Pull past that, sloppy. Roberto Carlos. And here's Inzaghi. No way through. So
kok situ lagi? Neymar itu Neymar.
Oh, good ball.
Gila, main apa, Cok? Main Tarkam ini.
Now it's Romario.
Allah.
Oh, he's onto this. He is through here.
Mau kemana, Mings?
Got a sight of goal here.
Bagus. Tarik. Yes.
It's a pretty loose pass.
Neymar kosong. Yuk, gas.
Oh, he's picked out the
Ya kan?
Can he get onto this? He's left his man. This might spell danger. Well, it didn't look good for a while, but that was brave defending, and they got away with it.
Well, I thought they got off lightly there. The odds were stacked against them.
He is through here. The referee's awarded a free kick.
Mulai kali, Mas.
Partey. Wirtz. Now it's Inzaghi. And the first half is done.
Udah deh.
So
Udah.